Today we going to learn the basic tag of the Visualforce page and corresponding attribute and properties. So just discuss the few attributes. The moment we have creating the Visualforce page, new Visualforce page, so by default the opening tag apex form and closing tags apex, sorry, not apex form, the apex page, the apex page, opening page and closing tag by default we are getting. This is provided by the Salesforce. So if you are creating any single page, you are designing any single page in Visualforce page, so by default the system embedded and will make available for you. So apex page is the opening tag and closing tag. So we can put here closing tag as well. This is the closing tag. Okay. So by default in between you have to design or use the some other tag. Okay. So what is the apex and page? Apex is the namespace. Again you can say what is the namespace? Namespace when we are using and at the time of deployment we can easily identify, uniquely identify, so which org we are belongs to. Your code, your Visualforce page or apex page belongs to which org or which ID. This is the namespace. Okay. And the page, what is the page? Page is the component name. Component name. Okay. This is the basic things you have to understand. Now in every VF page we'll start the opening and closing tag already discussed. API version. API version by default, if you are not giving API version, by default they will take latest version. Okay, just open in the developer console. Let me see the actual practice. So already we have created. So just if you want to create, go in the Visualforce page, new file, new and Visualforce page and give the unique name. The moment you have given the unique name, hit enter, will new page, brand new page automatically will create, and in new page by default this two attributes, apex page opening and closing tag, we get by default. Okay. Now API version, this is the latest user showing the API version 50. If you are not mentioning API version, so if you want to API version, so here API version we can give the in double quotes. Okay. So timing we are not giving API version and by default getting version number 50. Okay. Then ID. What is the ID? ID is the text value. It is used to refer the component uniquely in the page. In a page we have several tags and reference, we are giving reference to ID, particular ID. So at the time of rendering the page, rendering means if you are not using any ID in any section, the moment you are entering any user input, the entire page um, will load at a time, which is not required. Suppose I am taking input from the phone number itself. only for users. So if you are putting ID as a rendered, at that case only the input which received from the user, that will going to load only, not entire page. So that purpose using the ID will let me know when we are going to discuss what is the ID. Now show header. Show header means, suppose this is the show header. By default this is the attributes of the Apex page. We can't use anywhere show header, so should be in the Apex opening tag. In between, this is the attribute of Apex opening tag attributes. So show header means, if you are putting show header true, then see the preview. We have to save. So this is the show header. For time being, just remove the setup so you can understand what is the look and feel if you are using the show header. So if we have used the show header true, okay, so entire your tab, the standard look and feel, what are the Salesforce they have provided, by default you are getting. If you want hide all these standard features, this is the tab, right? If you want to hide this standard tab and other features as well, then we have to put show header is false. Sidebar will let you know what is the sidebar. Just save it and just refresh it. So if you have used show header as false, you can able to see this is the entire blank page, white page we have designed. So we will hide all the standard look and feel and tab all the facilities provided by the Salesforce. In that case, we can design the brand new tab, button, some other features depending your custom requirement. Okay. Now come to the sidebar. What do you mean by sidebar? If you are putting here again true and sidebar also true, just save it and preview it. So you can able to see what are the standard features, and this is the sidebar by default. So if you want to hide this one also, at that case we have to mention sidebar is equal to false. Okay. Now want to set up this setup menu. What are the standard features when you're opening the any administrator tab? If you want to set up in the left side all the buttons, all the features, all the options in the sidebar left, then you have to put sidebar is equal to true. Sidebar is equal to true. Sidebar was already specified. Okay, sorry. Setup, we can put setup here. So we can see what are the standard options in the administrator. We have to administrator, the build, the deploy. This setup menu we have uh, enabled in the left side of the screen. Like that, like that, we have to design. These are the measure the basic attributes for the Apex page. Okay. Now come to the your sidebar render edge. If you want to, what are the content we have mentioned, you have suppose you want to put something here. This is my second page. This is my line number 1, line number 1. Okay. Two, 3, and 4. And we are rendered. So we want to, what are the content you have mentioned in between Apex page opening tag and closing tag. This content you want to see as in PDF. At that case, using the render as PDF. Okay. So see here. So the moment you have enter the this is the line number 1, line number 2. If you want to, if you want some separate line, then put the press line break. So this content we have received as a output in the PDF format. We can download if you want to download. So this is the features for the render edge. Now come to the next features. The content type. This will generate the content of the page in the form of Word and Excel. For time being, this is not required. Just understand content type is Word or Excel. Okay. Now rendered. Rendered. This is also a Boolean expression, either true and false. When it is true, content of the page will displayed. When it is false, content of the page will be not displayed, will be hide. So render we can use if you are putting render as a false. Right, the content of what we have mentioned here, we have hide the content. If we are mentioning, we can change the here in false to true. Now again able to see the content of the page. So this is the attribute and corresponding features we are having in the basic top level tag and corresponding attributes. Now, what is a standard controller? What do you mean by a standard controller? If we want any S object means Salesforce object, a standard object or either custom object. If you want or access the records and embedded features, what are the standard features in the Visualforce page, at that case using the standard controller. Okay, so you can put like that here, a standard controller. We can remove for time being this common feature, either you can put like that, a standard controller, and put some object name in which object features you want to use and display. You want to use display on the Visualforce page. Suppose account. If you want to features, standard features want to access, or account record want to access in the Visualforce page, at that case using the standard controller and the S object name. Okay, controller. If you are using controller, so in Apex class, what are the other business logic, what are other features which is not provided by the Salesforce? Nothing but custom features or custom features and functionalities you want to implement in the Visualforce page. At that case using the controller. Later we can when we are practicing the other attributes, at that time we'll show you the what is the controller effect we are having. Okay, now for the one of the basic features is completed here. So next new features and remaining features we'll discuss on the next videos, because if you are adding in the lot of features or attributes, so we can increase our video length and timing. So here minimizing the this timing. So we'll show you the in the other features in the next video. Thank you.